Hello, and welcome to this slow English listening for beginners. Today's topic is my favorite hobby. After the story, I will ask you some questions to check on your understanding. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just focus on the key information. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hello, my name is Anna. I am 40 years old and I live in a small town with my family. I have a husband and 2 children. We live in a cozy house with a beautiful garden. Today, I want to talk to you about my favorite hobby. I love gardening. Every day I spend time in my garden. It is my special place. It is not very big, but it is full of life. I have many flowers, trees, and plants. I like roses, tulips, and sunflowers. They have bright colors and they smell very nice. I also have lavender, daisies, and jasmine. In the morning, when I walk in the garden, I can smell the fresh flowers. It makes me feel happy and calm. In my garden, I also grow vegetables. I have tomatoes, carrots, and lettuce. I also grow cucumbers, peppers, and zucchini. In the summer, I pick fresh vegetables and cook healthy meals for my family. It is wonderful to eat food from my own garden. It tastes better than the vegetables from the supermarket. Gardening is my favorite hobby because it makes me feel good. It helps me relax and forget about stress. When I touch the soil, plant seeds, and water the flowers, I feel peaceful. I like to see my plants grow. It is a slow process, but it is very beautiful. Every day, the plants change a little. Some days I see new leaves. Other days I see small flowers. It is like magic. Every morning I wake up early and go to my garden. I water the plants and remove dry leaves and check the flowers. On the weekend, I do more work. I clean the garden. I plant new flowers and sometimes I move the plants to a better place. My children like to help me. They enjoy playing with the soil and learning about plants. Gardening is a great activity for families. In the spring and summer, my garden is full of colors and life. The birds sing and the butterflies fly around. The bees visit the flowers and I can hear the sound of nature. I like to sit outside and drink a cup of tea. It is very relaxing. In the autumn, the leaves change color. The garden looks different, but still beautiful. In the winter, the garden is quiet. Gardening is good for my body and helps my mind. It helps me stay active because I move a lot when I work in the garden. I bend, I stretch, and I carry things. It is like exercise. It also helps me feel happy and calm. When I have a busy day, I go to my garden and take a deep breath. It helps me feel better. I think everyone should try gardening. You don't need a big garden. You can start with a small spot and one plant. Taking care of a plant is a wonderful experience. It teaches patience and love. Do you like gardening? What is your favorite hobby? Now, let's check on your understanding. What is Anna's favorite hobby? Anna's favorite hobby is gardening. What kind of flowers does Anna have in her garden? She has roses, tulips, sunflowers, lavender, daisies, and jasmine. Why does Anna like gardening? She likes gardening because it makes her feel happy and relaxed. It also helps her stay active. What vegetables does Anna grow in her garden? She grows tomatoes, carrots, lettuce, cucumbers, peppers, and zucchini. What does Anna do in her garden in the morning? In the morning, Anna waters the plants, removes dry leaves, and checks the flowers. If you have answered correctly to all the questions, you have done a very good job. Keep working and see you next time.